Welcome back. Thanks for tuning in.
On another episode of Bussin'
Or Disgusting.
with Caden.
And Taylor. And Archie.
already?
You're thinking bussin' already?
Today's request is orange juice.
With Sprite.
Disgusting.
I think disgusting. What do you think?
Nothing.
You don't think nothing?
Okay. You don't think it's going to be bussin'?
Yeah,
Yeah, you think it is? Okay. We shall see.
I could say ramen. I think.
You like orange juice?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Oh. Sorry, I about spilled it. Quit moving, Bubba.
Whoa. Okay.
I think spicy.
Actually, bussin'. Okay.
Disgusting.
Honestly, not bad. I'd say more on the bussin' side. It's like a fruity Sprite. And when I go to Sonic, I get a peach Sprite Zero. I think this is like an orange Sprite.
No.
Bussin', right?
Disgusting.
Double tap that screen. Comment what y'all want to see next. You could be featured right here next. Hit that plus, give us a follow. Y'all stay blessed. Tell them bye.
Bye.